Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we got one kit from from HG GQ series, the HAMBRABI GQ. So this is her main unit, HAMBRABI. So we got like Asian pose here, and we give me on the eye at the head can move. Then they got some weapon here. And this is a front rear image. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, dekat manual 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. And first pack here, we have one sticker. I think this one for the eyes. Then we have runner A. I think they got for weapon here. Some for the armor. I got a clear part also here. Next pack, we have runner B1 and D1. So I think this for inner frame. This one for the armor, for the leg or hand parts. Next pack, C1 and D2. So this one for the inner frame, and we got 2 set of hands here. And this is we also get a cable. This cable, I think around 15 cm. And this is runner C1 for the armor parts. Last pack here, got clear part for the weapon, and B2 armor part, and C2 for the setting for the backpack. Okay, that's all for the runner. So I go to the manual. This is the kit, HAMBRABI, and this is more info here. This is a list of runner. Then they start with the head. This is a head. I think got eyes here, and the back also got eyes, I think. Then the body, the arms. So the arms is same left and right, just at the hands part here also different. And upper body complete. So the eyes here you can move, got certain movement, and for the head movement also. And the waist, see like the tail here. Then the leg part, left and right. Then complete the body, and this is the backpack. And you got a weapon, like a gun, then how to hold the gun. Then the gun also can move like a side here. And you got a cable. Then we can change to mobile armor form. Just follow this instruction here. So this is the info of the kit, the C snack, the weapon here, like whips, then beam rifle, this one, and Fijian rifle, this one. This is a color guide if you want to paint. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing HAMBRABI GQ. So we will do speedbook and review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.